Hi guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. Today is another quick MG4 tip about how to unbind your MG iSmart. There's two ways of unbinding system. Currently works for MG4s and MG ZSEVs available in New Zealand and Australia. I'm not sure about other regions, as other regions may have a different app and different system. So do consult your local dealer in case you have any questions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like. That would be really helpful for the channel. Alright, the first way to unbind your vehicle is to go into your MG iSmart app. On top of the app, you need to click the MG4 or whatever the name you select. So click the name on the top. Then after that, you see the unbind on the top right. Click unbind. Click unbind again. After that, you want to send an email to you. So just click the send. That means the system sends you a verification code. You will need to type the verification code to this detail. And click OK, unbind is successful. The second way of unbinding is a little bit more complicated. You may need to use this way if you can't find your account for some reason, or if you can't find the previous owner for some reason. That means when you scan the QR code, it will tell you something has been connected. What you want to do in this situation is to reach your local MG dealerships or your local MG service team or whatever. When you get in touch with them, what you want to provide them is the vehicle information. Unique number like a VIN number of the vehicle or a registration number of the vehicle. Once you supply them with this information, they can then pass the information to the MG tech support team in this country or in this region. Then the MG tech support team can unbind your vehicle from the system so that you can scan the new QR code, get it connected again. This is the current solution for the system by March 2024. In case there's a future update or anything like that, maybe I'll let you know on the channel. A very small bonus for people who follow my YouTube channel who watch this particular video. If you're in New Zealand and your local dealership cannot help you with this, simply send me an email. I'll leave the email details down below and make sure you include all those information as well so that I have the information to pass it to the MG support team in New Zealand. It's pretty simple. I think your dealership can do it, but if they can't do it, let me know. I will help you from there. Just make sure you subscribe and like. Alright, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.